How to change system language on Mac. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we're going to learn on how we can change our system language on Mac. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Changing the system language of your macOS is a fairly simple task for us to do. And for that, all we have to do is just go to our system settings by clicking the Apple ID icon from the top left of the screen. Then simply going to the option System Settings from here. Once we've done so, we will land under General. If you're not already inside General, make sure you are inside General option. Now go to the option Language and Region and simply select it. Here you can see Preferred Languages. There will be a couple of languages which you have selected, but if you don't see the language you're looking for, just look for the plus icon right there and search for a preferred language you prefer right here. Once you've selected the language, you can hit the add button, and then when you select that particular add button, that will be selected as your primary language right there. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.